What's up? Back at it again. We're about to go see if we can't catch a couple big largies in this pond. We'll be throwing some fluke, maybe some topwater action. It's going to be a good video. You're going to want to stay tuned for this one. Me and Rooster are going to get it out. He's my cameraman right now. We're about to see if we can't get on some big ones today. There's some good ones over here where we're going. And I don't know what else to say. I mean, we're going to see if we can get after it. Catch him when we get there. Right off.
Pretty nice,
dude, that's a really nice.
I've taken mules into the mountains. I grew up, like I said earlier.
Alright, we're at the pond.
A little low today.
Little low today. But I think we can catch some fish today. We're going to be in the John boat.
Get the boot out of it.
That's not ours. Anyway, Rooster's going to push the boat in by itself.
What's that?
Ain't you? No. I'm going to be throwing some topwater. Yeah, see, look at them muscles. Look at them muscles. We're going to be throwing some topwater today, though. We're going to try to get a couple fish. It's hot. When I say it's hot, I mean like really hot.
Kind of cooled down.
It has cooled down a little bit, but Jack has the secret weapon today. Show him what it is. Oh yeah, the taco seeds. Anyway, I'm about to move y'all to the, yeah, Rooster, my bad, Rooster, not, yeah. I'm gonna move y'all to chest mount, and we're gonna get started, see if we can't whack a couple. Before we get started, I'm just gonna show you Rooster's secret weapon for the day. On the Ardent reel, Vendetta rod, the man is ready to rock and roll. He is about to absolutely slay an 8-pounder.
We bought the freaking worms.
If
maybe.
we brought the worms. Alright, I gotta get the fluke on here.
Where's Jumbo, Daddy? I hope these last more than one fish this time.
We're scaring fish off right now. You see where we're floating to?
Use your telekinesis.
Yeah, I am a live scope.
Oh my god. You would go right over there, wouldn't you?
Why not, man?
Already that desperate, eh?
Yes. You know when you're biting off baits 30 minutes in
It was just a really bad day.
and you haven't even caught a fish and I'm biting it.
Why did you catch magnum crappie out here?
I don't know. Oh, disappeared.
Horse him, Garrett. Horse him.
Oh, Jack. There he goes. My camera on? Yeah. Here we go.
Pretty nice, dude.
Dude, it's a really nice one. He's barely hooked. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him, get him. Let's go. Holy frick. Holy frick. Yo, that's a nice one.
It's a nice one.
That's a nice one. I seen the fluke disappear.
Seen the fluke disappear?
Yeah, I didn't even feel him. I just felt the fluke disappear. I had him hooked pretty good, didn't I?
Oh yeah, he wasn't going anywhere. Here, you got time for this, I don't.
Yeah, you fish. Dude, that's a freaking... Dude, that...
I don't know, 3 all day.
No, that... Jack, that might be my... What was my PB? 4.6? 4 pounds 6...
4.3.
4 pounds 6 ounces. 4.3.
You got your scale?
Yeah. He's pushing 4. Now, I may just be excited, but I'm pretty sure that man's pushing 4. He is.
What is he?
3.8.
Yeah.
There it goes. Yeah, I knew he was pushing it. That's a nice one. Oh dang, I'm trying to get a...
Let me catch him so I can be
Yeah. Let's go. Pink fluke. Let's see if we can get us another one. Yeah, he's wrapped. Come on, don't come off. Oh, he's hooked good. I say he's hooked good. Man's hanging. My line just snaps on the freaking... There we go. That's a good one. Another good one.
Call me crazy, but that's one of the skinnier fish I've seen out of here.
No, it is. It's definitely one of the skinnier fish in here. It's a nice one though. Second fish of the day. Pretty boy. Get your release on him. There you go. Oh. I just caught a snake. Y'all check this out. Look at this. No, it's a water snake. How does that even happen?
You better cut that thing.
You want it, Jack? Oh, he let go.
Ah,
Yo, he bit my flute. That's crazy. Look at him, there he goes. I told you I seen a snake.
well, that's crazy.
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh,
You've
this
got
is
him.
awkward. This might be bad.
Reel it in.
No.
Reel it in. We gotta get it off somehow. It ain't worth losing the $13 Whopper Plopper over. We'll get it out. You've got to be kidding me. Why would you throw it over there?
I really don't know.
You're kidding.
We gotta kill him.
Jack had his first catch of the day. It's a freaking water snake, Jack. Maybe. I'll hold on to him while you get it out.
No.
You... Dude, we're wasting precious time here. Reel the snake in.
I would, but look.
You've got the biggest bird nest I've ever seen in my life.
Let go, snake.
Dude, just reel up the bird nest. Who really can? All right, get it in the boat, Jack. I'm not joking. Hit my GoPro. That was not the fish that I seen. Jack, I'm almost throwing it and leaving it.
Just letting it float.
Just letting it sit. And then, you see that fish? Oh my gosh.
Dude, every time I freaking
close around there.
I've taken mules into the mountains. I grew up, like I said earlier, with horses.